Alright class, let's get started with some algebra test we're going to do. Harry and Aaron, I want you please go to the next door and bring me some math work.
How long this work will it take?
It depends how many worksheet we're going to do.
May I have your emergency here? Is everything all right in here?
You push on!
This is so funny, Rosa.
No, Emily, that was funny. Ha 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 ha.
That's Heidi. Both of you are suspended for 6 months. Go to the principal office right now.
And guys, stop laughing right now.
Aaron and Harry, you are suspended for 6 months. Go home now.
Aaron and Harry, we are so angry with you. Why did you and Harry push the call button in the classroom? You are grounded, 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 grounded. Harry, go home now while I deal with Aaron.
Wow 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 wow.
Go to your room right now.